in the process by taking shelter of the holy name. But here it mentions how Parikshit Maharaj propagated, how does Prabhupada say it? Made arrangements. So how he made arrangements?
By whole this human Bhagavatam.
Yes, yeah. Hearing the that's mentioned in the purport. Hearing the Bhagavatam, discussing the Bhagavatam, discussing topics related to the Bhagavatam. That is also that is also chanting. That is Sankirtan. Yeah. So Sankirtan is Sankirtan actually is not only sound vibration. Sankirtan is connected with all activities. Of course, sound vibration is especially powerful, very powerful. But Sankirtan, everything is part of Sankirtan when it is connected for the glorification of Krishna and the glorification of His holy name and the glorification of His devotees.